Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best digital pianos. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Yamaha YPG-235 76 key digital piano. This is a portable and classic virtual piano that will guarantee pinnacle notch services. It is one of the top rated virtual pianos that you can depend upon for a superb sound device. With this notable digital piano, you will be capable of download all of your favorite new songs and permit you to play in style. This is as it comes with a flash ROM and USB. It is a 76 key piano. This is transportable. This, therefore, implies that it's going to offer you very reliable and convenient services. The digital piano also functions a pitch bend wheel, panel lighting and a backlit LED that makes it very ergonomic. Despite being one of the first-class virtual pianos, it's miles highly cheap and less costly. Get it nowadays and you'll realize how plenty you have been missing. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Yamaha YPG-535 88 key digital piano. The Yamaha YPG-535 is an incredible digital piano that employs the performance assistant era. This means that it's going to supply fantastic and dependable carrier. The virtual piano additionally has the melody mode plus the cordless model that makes it a remarkable digital piano. Besides this, the piano has a massive weight room with the intention to always make it lively to play the piano. It is an 88 key piano that includes an adapter, preserved pedal and a stand. It additionally lets in for USB connection. Why pass out on this world magnificence digital piano? Make your order now and it is going to be delivered inside the scheduled time. At number 3, we have the Casio Ink Ctk 2400 ppk 61 key digital piano. This is an international elegance digital piano with the 400 keyboard voices that you may actually love. The piano has improved sampling outcomes in order to allow you to come with the exceptional rhythms. The piano comes with an X-Fashion stand, a pair of the Samson headphones, and a strength supply. Besides this, the digital piano has a built-in microphone with an intuitive sampling feature. This is one of the global's fine virtual pianos you'll discover very exquisite. At number 2, we have the Williams Legato 88 key digital piano. This is one of the excellent virtual pianos that supply very reliable and handy services. It is a portable virtual piano that functions a playback and recording that permit it to deliver simply as anticipated. Besides this, the virtual piano has 88 key that is quite simple to play for a superb sound device. You can discover the digital piano online at a completely pocket pleasant fee. All you want is to make your order these days and it is going to be delivered within the shortest time feasible. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yamaha Sure 253 61 portable piano. Are you a novice who is searching ahead to getting to know and growing your piano competencies? For the first-rate piano that will offer you the final offerings, you then need to do this out. It is a terrific piano with about 6 full-sized keys to turning in top-notch services. The piano also has 32 notice polyphony that makes it appropriate for each seasoned and beginners. The piano can play with a power adapter or on batteries. For this reason, very reliable. It is one of the final digital pianos you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this digital pianos, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.